Simplicity po.
Okay. Simplicity. Second poll yan ha. Tapos third poll is honesty. And the fourth, discipline.
Picture daw na. Kayo para sa
The
school fan
fifth,
daw.
Video?
trust.
Picture.
And last
Ang
one,
picture, sila na ibahalas picture, be?
Picture, ikaw video ka.
teamwork. Okay, at the count of three, mudagan mo ha, paunhanay. So, the team who will first raise the flag wins. First, second, and third. Okay, are you ready? Teams, asa naman mo? Are you ready?
Atras na gamay!
Backward sa may
Atras na gamay!
Backward,
Green, ma'am! Atras na, ma'am! Green!
Oh.
Green team! Atras na gamay! Ligsan mo!
Okay.
Atras! Atras!
At the
Seryo!
count of three.
Atras!
Atras.
Baby, excuse.
Sir!
Okay.
Mama J.
Count of three, ha?
Para din ako sa gaton.
Ready?
Patay din na. Hindi ko na kita si Bed. Dali na siya.
Get set! Go!
Oh! Nice! Go! Teamwork! Go! Teamwork! Go! Woo! Woo! Nice!
Okay, now, settle down, settle down. Balik-balik muna kayo. Balik sa area niyo. First is the green team!
Party! Party!
Oh, saya. And second,
Teamwork! Teamwork!
and
Teamwork!
discipline.
Simplicity po.
Simplicity! Congratulations, winner!